is too high up to 10,000 per month. Is that the budget? I'm not sure what that 10,000 per month is. Budget is 10,000 per month. Okay, see, I mean, look, 10,000 a month is in Google terms not huge or big. We have campaigns which are running hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So yes, 10,000 is it's a decent budget. It's not Mickey Mouse, money. So you've got the money and you've got the budget. So you have a strategy. Search, shopping, video, display, remarketing video, remarketing, display, performance max, separate, segment them out, run all of them and see what's bringing you the best return.